Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and I talk a lot about Salesforce. Today we're going to be going over how to create a checkbox field within Salesforce. So a checkbox field is pretty self-explanatory. It's where you can go in and you can check something. So it's great for something that only has one or two inputs. So like a yes, no, or completed or incomplete, that kind of thing. So let's go ahead and jump into the setup. So I'm going to click on the gear icon and then go to setup. From here, I'm going to go to the object manager, and then I'm going to click find the object that I want to create this field for. So I'm going to search for class. This is a custom object that I have. The example that I'm using for this is that I'm tracking all the classes that you might need to do for a degree. So I'm going to go to fields and relationships, and then we're going to click new. All right, let's go ahead and scroll down to checkbox and click next. So now we're going to enter in some of the field information. So the field label and the field name, those are pretty much going to be the same thing. And then we're going to add a default value, possibly description or help text. Sometimes it's helpful to add help text, but it's not always necessary, just because some things are self-explanatory. For this field label, I'm going to say class completed. So if I've already completed a class, then I will check that as yes. Especially when it comes to reporting, it's a great way to narrow your data down or filter your data down and report off of that. I am going to have the default value be unchecked. The field name, it is required because anything that is red is required. The field name is just going to be the system name, so it will need to have an underscore underneath any space or where any space would be. I am going to click next. Now here is where we add the field level security. So it's going to be taking the profile of different users within Salesforce, and you're going to be saying, is this visible? Is this read only? So visible means that they can see the field, so they can see this class completed. Checkbox field, read only is going to say like, hey, you cannot edit this field. So those are our options as far as either opening up access to this field or restricting access. Now, I would go through this with a fine-tooth comb if you're doing this for a large organization that has a lot of users within Salesforce. But because I'm the only one in this Salesforce org, I'm going to leave it how it is and click next. Then it's going to add it to the page layout. So that's just going to be the layout when you go into the classes object, when you're looking either at the classes or you're looking at the creating a new class document or record within Salesforce. It's going to add it there so you don't have to add it later. I'm going to hit save here. All right. Now let's go ahead and go back into the front end of Salesforce and see and validate if this is there. So I'm going to refresh the Salesforce page, go over to the waffle in the upper left-hand corner, search for the classes object, and then we can either go into my test record to see if it's there. Let's go ahead and click edit. We can see that the class completed checkbox is there. So let's say the class test class is completed, not to be confused with other test classes that exist within Salesforce development. I'm not quite seeing it on the page layout yet, but I am seeing it when I edit. So that tells me that it is there, but it might take a little time for it to show up here. And that's completely normal. I would suspect something is wrong if it doesn't show up within 15 minutes to 30 minutes, depending on the servers that day. But I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can connect with me on LinkedIn at Emily Call MBA. You can check out the courses down below in the description box or on Udemy Business as well as on LinkedIn Learning. Thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.